I need to chew gum on camera because that's what I do. Chew like a cow. Anyway, I bought this gum and I'm going to eat it. Why am I out chewing gum? I don't know. I feel like I got dry mouth or something. I don't know. I think it's... When I was a kid, I used to like chewing gum. I mean, if you didn't like chewing gum as a kid, probably grew up in the wrong century. It was fun. See how many bazooka gums you get in your mouth. The big long sticks, I think they were 10 cents. Now it's probably like $10 a pack. What else? This video. This is the last one I picked up on. Just bringing this back to the garage. Got another couple little things to show you. Bring this bag back to my house. When it comes to shopping bags, I don't know if you have like Tops or Piggly Wiggly where you are, or some other store I've never heard of, or Tesco, you know. But around here, when it comes to these shitty reusable bags that everybody thinks are going to save the planet, because, you know, let's use reusable bags that are made of plastic. Oh, and then they're made of recycled plastic, because nobody can come to their senses and go, well, yeah, we don't have to use recycled plastic. We could completely reuse plastic and turn it back into petroleum, but that would, you know, be too expensive. So we just take it in a shitty form and make it even shittier. With that said, I picked up, this is so I could finish the big red thing over there. Picked up some new latches. It was $6. The little back and forth latches there. I don't know if you can see them. See? It's a spring-loaded latch. Put it this way. It's a little latch like that. So you turn it and it goes down. Put it on my face here. I don't know if you can see it. Up, down, and then it locks. Takes, where's the screw? Oh yeah, here. And it opens like this. See? It opens. The screws go in there. I picked up I think a 4-pack. Comes with the little stuff in there or whatever. It's not very exciting. But it's to hold the doors on the why can't I remember? The sandblaster that I'm going to sandblast all this shit with, or send it out to be sandblasted. But anyway, that's the pieces. Since I got to do a little drilling, and I keep seeing this shit in, oops, I said a bad word. I said shit. I keep seeing this stuff on many videos. So like copycat, like everyone else has to have. I picked up Anchor Lube. No, it's not for what you're thinking. Lube, you know. No, it's not. It's for drilling. It's... Ooh, it smells good. Smell it. Ooh. That's the nicest smelling... Maybe it is the wrong product. No, I didn't. This stuff is for all-purpose metalworking compound. Prolongs tool life. Water-based. Non-hazardous. Smokeless. That's a lot of going on. Fast, smooth cut, even with exotic metals. Whoa, exotic metals. Anchor Lubricants. Thank you very much. Superior performance designed for tough operations. This is getting bad. On stainless steel or other hard metals. Exceptional performance on high carbon, nickel, chrome, heated, treated, steels, alloys, cat, aluminum, and wide range of exotic alloys. Do I look like I play with exotic metals? I don't know. Directions may be applied as is, or thinned up with 1 part water. Depending on operation, can be applied with the bottle, brush, roller, spray, or swab with a punch press application. Contains no sulfur, chromates, nitrates, lead, lithium, tin, copper, formaldehyde, chlorine, fluorine, silicon, oil, or VOCs of any type. Keep capped to avoid clogging. Product thins at temperatures above 70 This will not affect performance. Keep out of reach, children. This product is not hazardous in accordance with OSHA, HAZCOM, blah, blah, blah. What the hell is it made of? Baking soda? Or, what do you call it? Chicken fat? But if you ever get your hands on this stuff, it smells better than personal lubricant. How do I know? Don't ask. Sometimes I get personal. Shut the hell up. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm gonna use it for drilling. I've tried other like it's not like I drill a lot of stuff, but I'm like, you know what? I keep seeing, oh, I got this little brush, and I'm like, you know what? Like what? $5, whatever. I have it. Everybody ever again. Other than that, what else did I get? This wasn't on Amazon. I picked up a cheap set of these things because they're a 10-pack, because there's no way I'm paying $75 for the Milwaukee things, so I buy the cheap Anvil Home Depot ones. I got 2 of them because I burned 2 of them. I picked up a Milwaukee blade scraper, which I want to do something. Now that I think of it, I'm like, you see this little thing here, little pattern here? I think I'm going to try buying one of those $1 scrapers, see if I can make one of these. It's kind of not worth the trouble, but I have a punch press, punch the hole, and you just got to grind the thing, draw it out, and boom. Is it really, I mean, if you're broke, you could make one of these by taking a reciprocator blade and tracing it on pretty much any piece of flat metal you have in your garage, and stick it in the end of the reciprocator, but I didn't feel like waiting. What am I using this for? I got to scrape some walls. I have to, I glued the shower walls on many, many moons ago. In order to rip the shower out, I need something to get it off. So this is my first line of defense. And then I'll be like, it's not working. And then I got my second line of defense, which is this one, which is even wider. If that doesn't work, I'll resort to just using a power saw and cut the whole wall out and starting over. I think that was it. I don't think there's anything else in here in the bag to look at. So, with that said, that's a Tweedledee, Tweedledum, and adios, amigos. If you subscribe to my channel, thank you. If you watch the whole video and think I'm hilarious, click like, subscribe. If you think I should stay on YouTube, just keep watching my videos. Ugh. I just burped and severe acid reflux. If you like my videos, keep watching. I don't claim to be an excellent video YouTuber. I don't even claim to be anything. I'm having fun doing this. So anyway, thanks for watching. Toodles.